How do I restrict someone on Facebook?
Hello there, Facebook users. Today, we're going to learn how to restrict someone on Facebook. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to change your privacy settings and restrict a specific friend or contact from seeing your full Facebook profile.
What does it mean to restrict someone on Facebook?
When you restrict a friend on Facebook, they still remain your friend, but they'll only be able to see your public content and the posts you tag them in. Essentially, you are limiting their access to your Facebook posts without having to unfriend them.
How to restrict someone on Facebook?
Now, let's get into the actual process of restricting someone. You can follow these simple steps. 1. Open your Facebook app or website. Make sure you are logged in to your Facebook account. 2. Navigate to the profile of the person you wish to restrict. You can do this by typing their name into the search bar at the top of the Facebook homepage. 3. Once you're on their profile, click on the Friends button. It's usually located under their profile picture. 4. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see an option that says Add to another list. Click on it. 5. In the new list that appears, find and click on the option Restricted. And voila! You've just restricted this person. The person you have restricted won't receive any notification of this action.
How to unrestrict someone on Facebook?
Let's say you've changed your mind, or the situation has improved, and you want to unrestrict a friend. Here's how you do it. 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. 2. Go to the profile of the person you want to unrestrict. 3. Click on the Friends button. 4. In the drop-down menu, select Add to another list. 5. You'll see the list where Restricted is checked. Simply click on Restricted again to uncheck it. And that's it. The person is now unrestricted and can view all your posts based on your privacy settings. Managing your privacy on social media platforms like Facebook can be crucial in this digital age. Remember, it's completely fine to restrict certain people if you feel it's necessary for your privacy or peace of mind. Hopefully, this video tutorial has helped you understand how to restrict and unrestrict a friend on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.